More comfort. More flexibility. More care. More style. Aqualtis, the evolution of the washing machine. The new Aqualtis is designed to offer the performance and comfort of a big-size washing machine in standard dimensions. More capacity, more ergonomics. Aqualtis, an innovation in comfort. To bring you maximum comfort, the new Aqualtis has set new standards in ergonomics. The loading opening has been widened to a full 35 centimeters. The drum has been raised and inclined. Loading and unloading your washing is now much easier. The innovative door with integrated controls has 3 types of interface that are easy and intuitive to use: LCD, digital, and LED. Choose the one that's best for you. The integrated laundry drawer helps to keep things tidy and makes access to the Aqualtis drum unbeatable. More capacity, more choice. Aqualtis, an innovation in flexibility. The drum of the new Aqualtis is 50% bigger than standard and holds up to 7.5 kilos with a capacity of 62 liters. From your daily to your weekly wash, Aqualtis is ideal for any volume. In particular, for small daily washes, the mini load option gives excellent results and saves 25% water and up to 40% of time and energy. Aqualtis is also very flexible in terms of models. Loads up to 7.5 kilos. Heights from 85 to 105 centimeters. More options, more specific cycles. Aqualtis, an innovation in care. The new Aqualtis offers the biggest range of specific washing cycles designed for maximum care of every type of fabric. Thanks to Woolmark Platinum Care, Aqualtis offers the most delicate and effective way of washing wool and cashmere, patented by Hotpoint and certified by the Woolmark Company. Thanks to a special rotation of the drum at 90 RPM, garments remain on the walls of the drum as they pass through the water, thus avoiding stress on the fibers and abrasion. The duvet cycle uses large quantities of water and thus guarantees excellent wash performance, even on large articles filled with feather down, such as quilts and duvets. Aqualtis respects the peace of your home with its super silent wash system. It's one of the quietest washing machines on the market. More design, more elegance. Aqualtis, an innovation in style. The new Aqualtis is a synthesis of style and innovation, created for those who always want the best for their home. Aqualtis, the evolution of the washing machine.